The Nike LeBron Witness 9 returns with its balance of performance and value, now in a striking particle pink makeover. The monochrome finish covers the laces, midsole, and lightweight synthetic upper, which is paired with breathable mesh panels for comfort during play. Inspired by LeBron James' top-tier models, this edition channels pro-level features into a more accessible package. Underfoot, full-length ReactX foam offers responsive cushioning and energy return, while the forefoot herringbone traction ensures quick stops and cuts on both ends of the court. Subtle texturing throughout the design adds depth to the vibrant tone, giving it a streetwear-friendly appeal. Expected to retail near $105, the Witness 9 is set to launch later this season via Nike.com and select stores. Blending bold color with reliable tech, it's ready for serious hoopers and off-court style enthusiasts alike.